In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a resume in Canva for freshers. We'll start right from the Canva homepage. First, log into your Canva account. Once you're in, look over to the left side of the screen and find the Create button. Click on that, and a pop-up window will appear. At the top of this pop-up, you'll see a search bar. Type the word resume into that search bar. Canva will now show you different resume options with various sizes and orientations, like portrait and landscape. Choose the size and orientation that best fits standard resume formats, usually a simple portrait layout, and open it. This will take you directly into the Canva editor. Inside the editor, you'll see the templates panel open on the left side. Canva has a lot of ready-made resume designs, which makes things much easier, especially for freshers. At the top of this templates panel, there's another search field. You can type keywords like student, fresher, or simple to find designs that are clean and beginner-friendly. Take your time to scroll through the templates. Once you find a style you like, just click on it, and it will automatically appear on your main canvas. Now it's time to customize the template. Click on any text area to edit the content and style. For a fresher resume, make sure you clearly add your contact details. Your full name, a professional email address, a reachable phone number, your city or general location, and, if you have them, links to a LinkedIn profile or portfolio. Next, write a short objective at the top. This should briefly explain your career goal and the type of job or field you're applying for. Below that, list your key skills. Include both technical skills, like software or tools you know, and soft skills, such as communication or teamwork, that match the job you want. Education is especially important for freshers, so add your school or university name, your course or degree, and your graduation year. If you don't have much work experience, highlight academic projects, internships, volunteer work, or school activities that show responsibility and initiative. If you have any certifications from online courses or training, include those as well. Keep the layout simple, clean, and limited to one page, with good spacing and easy to read fonts so it looks professional. To add your photo, go back to the left panel and click on Uploads. Then click on Upload Files. Choose your image from your computer, and once it appears in Canva, drag it into the photo placeholder on your resume. When you're happy with everything, go to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. Set the file type to PDF, pick the option that suits you, adjust any additional settings if needed, and click Download. And that's it. You've created a professional fresher resume in Canva, ready to send to employers.